Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Android Auto EV charging search with PlugShare. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Android Auto EV charging search with PlugShare, start by ensuring that your Android device is connected to your car's Android Auto system. Next, check that you have the PlugShare app installed on your smartphone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, go to the Google Play Store and search for PlugShare. Once you find the app, download and install it on your device. Open the PlugShare app and create an account or log in if you already have one. Make sure your location services are enabled on your device for accurate results. Now, navigate to the Settings menu within the PlugShare app. Look for the option that allows you to connect to Android Auto. Enable this feature, allowing the app to access your vehicle's display. After this is done, switch over to your car's Android Auto interface. From the Android Auto menu, locate and select the PlugShare app icon. Once inside the PlugShare app on your car's interface, you'll see various options for finding EV charging stations. You can filter the search based on charging speed, network, or availability. After setting your preferences, tap the search button to find nearby charging stations. Select a charging station from the list to view more details, including its location and availability. You should now be guided to your chosen charging station using the navigation system. Remember to keep your device connected for continuous updates on charging availability. You have successfully activated the EV charging search using PlugShare with Android Auto. Enjoy your electric vehicle journey with peace of mind, knowing where to charge. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.